Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, then go to search button and enter the model number B860 DS3H and then hit enter. Then click to product and click off there. Then click to support. Select operating system which is you require the driver. So Windows 10 any because installation process same. LAN driver, just click to extract and then click to download. It will start downloading, wait few seconds to complete, then we will install it. It is completed, then open and double click to extract. Then click to yes. Then it is done. Close means done.